Yuke ginyagia kuria kaunti ya Naikuru kuria thirikari ya kaunti no ninyitanire na gikundi gitari gia githirikari kia Dade Leon kuheana mathomo kuria ria mateithagiriria atumia aria mohete nda ithenya-ini ria kunyihia ikuũ cia atumia acio na ciana. Amwe aria mahetwo mathomo macio ni manathi na aria maheanaga motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ matũra-ini.
There are healthcare workers, over 30 healthcare workers on emergency obstetric care mentorship training. This will go along to improve maternal and neonatal indicators in the county. And this comes at a time when majority of the staff that were trained on EMOC are aging and are almost transiting. So now we are training younger generation that will continue with mentorship at the rural facilities to improve the rates of skill deliveries even at the hard to reach areas of Nakuru County.
We have to almost double up the number of clinical team members that we have. Her Excellency the Governor has made a commitment to this, and we have very, very good support from the County Assembly, first of all, to ring fence the budget for human resource so that, one, we're able to promote nurses who are due. Two, we are able to replace the nurses and clinical officers and doctors who are leaving because we are having quite a number seeking greener pastures. But as soon as they leave, can we replace them? So their budget is ring-fenced. And thirdly, and more importantly, is to be able to incrementally recruit so that you can place more nurses. I think the second challenge that I have observed personally is the need for infrastructure upgrade. We must invest a little bit more money in developing the capability of our dispensaries. The roofs, the ceilings, the doors, upgrading the medical equipment, that kind of thing.
As a clinician, actually we are learning new skills and new skills on how to curb the emergencies that we normally have, so that we're gonna reduce the